Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here I am setting a table for one. All right guys, so I do have some reminders for you, so let's get started. So on September 20th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Styling My Way collaboration. Make sure, guys, and utilize this time to set up for the Cozy Fall Home Tour. I am so excited. So let's move on to the next one. So on the 22nd, guys, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Decorate a Lantern collaboration. How exciting is that? This is the harvest theme, and I cannot wait to see you there. Remember, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, so on September 24th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week, guys. I have a special guest coming in, and it's At Home with Lisa, and the theme is Rustic Farmhouse. I can't wait to see you there. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so on the 25th of September at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Fall Tree Decorating Extravaganza. And the host of that is Lifestyle Designs with Teresa. You don't want to miss it. Let's move on to the next one. All right, so on the 26th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Warm and Cozy Leaves collaboration. Remember that we were decorating with sunflowers. This month we're decorating with leaves, and I'm so excited. The host of that is Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. Let's move on to the next one. I'm going to mention this one next. It's called the Cozy Corner or Vignette. And remember that the theme for this one is apple cider. We want to make sure and decorate for Cozy Corner before the home tour. So last but not least, we have the Fall Cozy Home Tour at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 28th. Can't wait to see you there. Have an amazing day, and God bless you.